Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. I'd be happy to provide you with an informative tutorial on how to get pywin32 to work inside OpenOffice 2.4 with the built-in Python 2.3 interpreter. However, please note that my knowledge is based on information available up to September 2021, and there might have been significant changes or updates since then. Ensure that the versions of software you are using are compatible with each other. Before you start, make sure you have the following. Check Python version. OpenOffice 2.4 typically uses Python 2.3, but it's always a good practice to confirm the Python version. You can check it by running the following code in OpenOffice's Python interpreter. This should print the Python version, and it should be 2.3. Install pywin32. Make sure you have pywin32 installed for Python 2.3. If it's not installed, you can download it from the official website, https://github.com/mhammond/pywin32/releases. Choose the appropriate version that matches your Python 2.3 interpreter and architecture. Configure environment variables. Add the path to the pywin32 installation to your system's path environment variable. You can do this by import pywin32 in OpenOffice. Now that you have pywin32 installed and configured, you can use it in OpenOffice's Python 2.3 interpreter. Open OpenOffice and go to Tools Macros. Organize Macros Python. This code imports the Win32 API module from pywin32 and displays a message box. Save and run. Save your macro and close the editor. You can then run the macro from OpenOffice by navigating to Tools Macros. Run macro. That's it. You've successfully set up pywin32 to work inside OpenOffice 2.4 with the built-in Python 2.3 interpreter. You can now use pywin32 to interact with the Windows API and perform various tasks within OpenOffice. ChatGPT.